Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new here, hi! My name is Natasha and it's fantastic to have you here. For today's video, we are unboxing and taking a look at the Love Who You Are Oracle by Angi Sullins with art by Silas Toball. This is published by US Game Systems, retailing for $26.95, and as always in the description box below, I will link where you can legitimately purchase this deck should you want to, and big shout out to US Game Systems for sending this deck my way. Thank you so much. Okay, so let's get into it. This, I think this is the same artist that did the Wisdom of Hafiz Oracle. All right, so love who you are. Remember who you were before the world told you who you should be. No matter how accomplished we are with compassion and self-care, none of us is immune to doubt, anxiety, fear of criticism, or betrayal. It's natural in a world that favors the good, compliant, be everything to everyone person to wander from the path of self-love. This deck is your companion on the journey to radiant self-worth and confidence. Let the 44 cards and the musings of the 116-page book be the voice that calls you back. This collection has been carefully curated to be a light in the window along your path. I love that. And already I love the artwork. Look at those cuties. Oh my gosh. Okay, so it opens up with a magnetic little closure here. Oh, and it has a ribbon. Oh, and a little bag. Cute. Sweet. All right, what does this say? Though I do not yet know all of what I shall become, today I am a woman proudly failing at who they wanted me to be. Sorry, Angi Sullins. Okay, and then we've got a ribbon here with the book. Oh my gosh, everything's so pretty. Oh, and they're gilded. And then there's the inside here. So pretty. All right. Let's take a peek at the guidebook real fast to see if there's any pertinent knowledge that we need to know. Oh my goodness, so pretty. Poem. Introduction. This deck seeks to companion you on the journey to self-love and hold your hand throughout the continued practice once you arrived. No matter how accomplished we are with compassion and self-care, none of us are immune to doubt, anxiety, fear of criticism, or betrayal. Yes, absolutely. Okay. And then it goes into the cards. I just want to see if there are any spreads in the back here. Note from the author. Cute. And then, oh, cute little spots for notes. So there are no spreads. I have a feeling this is going to be a really good daily pull for self-care. So let me take off the cellophane wrap, and I'll get right back. All right, so here's the back of the deck. It is a gloss. I love the moth and the butterflies. It is gilded on the edges with the gold. Pretty nice size. It's like a tarot size. Okay. So we have the number down below as well as the title of the card. It's very pretty. Let's take a look at the cardstock. Oh, okay. So it has the gloss on it, which will help protect the card. So it's a little bit on the sturdier side. It's not super thin. It's not super thick. It's like right in that sweet spot. So I think it's going to shuffle really well. Oh, sweet. So much detail. I am really excited to get into the guidebook. Tell shame to suck it. Yes. Oh. I love a good fox moment. I love these. I love having specific decks for self-care because that using that deck in that moment is an act of self-care, and then you can go further with it by utilizing the deck. You know what I mean? By consciously making the effort to put aside time to pull from a self-care deck is in and of itself self-care. Gorgeous. Oh. And always be careful with decks with the gilded edges. You want to make sure that you are separating the cards very slowly and being patient with it, because they tend to stick together just due to how they're manufactured. So you don't want to pull too fast and rip the cards. I have had that happen to me before, and it was sad. I love a good sloth. Cute. These glide really nice in the hand. That's interesting. Already there's so much value in just this deck alone without even seeing the guidebook. Lots of great reminders. Oh my gosh, it's so sweet. Whoop. See what I mean? Be very gentle and careful. Aww. I like this. Bring your monster flowers. Wow. It's like inviting your demons to dinner. This is very gentle, very forward thinking, positive. I love chonky birds. Oh my gosh. Oh, pretty. Who else has the Wicked song stuck in their head now? But it is a great message. Yeah, this is a beautiful deck. Okay, so as of filming this, we are now officially in Christmas/Yule season. So this would make a wonderful gift for anybody. So far, I haven't read the guidebook, but so far it seems like anybody, regardless of their level of reading, would be very beneficial to use this. Like that person you just don't know what to get for a gift. Oh my god, this is gorgeous. Your coworker, your grandma. I think my grandma would have loved this. I mean, it's just too precious. Okay, it says, court the too good and true. So important. Protect your boundaries. Oh my God, it's so sweet. Gather your nuts. Oh my gosh. Oh my goodness. All right, well, it's safe to say I love the cards. Let's see how they shuffle. Ooh, nice. Look at that. They snapped right back. All right, let's see how they shuffle this way. Oh, yeah. No, they feel really good. They slide really well. Okay, we're going to read for this starfish one. So it says, own your star. Okay. Not all stars belong to the sky. Just look at the starfish and you, one of a kind, brilliant, luminous. Never let anyone dull your shine. Endeavor to know your value, not based on what service you provide or how you can be pleasing, pretty, or productive. Rather, know your worth based on the radiant star stuff coursing through your veins. Stand in your shine. Be willing to lose anything that requires you to lose a part of yourself. I love it. Oh my gosh. I saw that there were some poems throughout here. That is just so, yeah, see, love that. It's beautiful. Absolutely gorgeous. I'm impressed. So it's definitely a great deck to use for self-care, for sure. Definitely a healing deck. It's very positive without being like toxic positivity, you know? Like it just shows you what you need to see and how to accept it in a very loving way. And I feel like this card is a perfect example. It's like showing you that, you know, you can be your own shine and don't let anybody like tell you your only value is what you can do for them or provide for them. You have your own value of just being you. So I really like that because it's a reminder of your own worth. And sometimes we get so bogged down with what other people think of us, what we, you know, can provide, like, does our life have any purpose, et cetera, right? And so that ties into that anxiety and stress and all of it. So this is a great way to be mindful and to practice self-care without, you know, the feeling of having to do a whole ritual or having to take out so much time to do some self-care. So I really, really like this. I feel like it's a great quality. The price tag for me is a great quality for the book, the cardstock, the cards themselves. The packaging is great. You can get a cute little pouch so you can take it with you. Like I said, perfect gift. I love the art so much. I think this will pair beautifully with the wisdom of Hafiz. I can never tell if I'm saying that correctly, so I don't mean any disrespect. But point being is this is beautiful. I am intrigued. I cannot wait to start using it. I think this is perfect for any level of reader and anybody who doesn't even practice divination. To just have a deck that they can use for self-care is perfect. I feel like it doesn't alienate anybody. I would love to know what you think about this deck. Are you intrigued? Are you excited? Are you planning on purchasing, or is this a hard pass from you? Let me know all your thoughts down in the comment section below. Thank you so much to US Game Systems for sending this deck our way. I am so thankful that you even know who I am. So if you guys have not done so already, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell on your way out of this video. That way you will never miss an upload from me. And if you have not checked out my link tree, go ahead and do so. It's in the description box. It will give you all of my social media as well as my Etsy shop where I do private readings. So thank you again, and I will see you in my next video. Bye-bye.